This consolation championship matchup features the visiting team on the scoreboard, the Randy School Panthers, versus the home team on the scoreboard, the Mountain Brook Spartans. Ladies, good 52 New York. Three-pointer knocked down by 3 Alex Collapse. Ladies, good 2-3 Scotty Lewis. Three-pointers, good Brian Antoine. And your score, after 1 quarter play in this consolation championship matchup in the 40th annual Culligan City Ball Class, Randy School, the Panthers 13, Mountain Brook Spartans 5. Thrown down to Trenton. Three-pointer knocked down 3 Alex Pulaski. Pass that low, looking good 32, Leon Berman. That man, Alex Pulaski. Alex Pulaski for the win. Timeout, Mountain Brook Spartans. Ladies, good. Spartans to Trenton, Watford. Tough shot, Brian Antoine.